My name is João Barros. I'm the founder and CEO of Veniam. Veniam is solving one very important problem, which is to move massive amounts of data between vehicles and the cloud. So all the new connected vehicles, applications, and services require a lot of data. And right now, OEMs are looking for ways to use not just cellular, which is very expensive, but also Wi-Fi and V2X in an ingenious way. And our intelligent networking software enables them to make the most out of all the wireless interfaces and wireless networks that are available. So we started by building the largest mesh network of connected vehicles in the world in Porto, Portugal, where I come from, where we have all the buses, garbage collection trucks, municipal service vehicles, talking with each other and with the internet every single day, moving 15 terabytes of data every month. And that proved the concept that we can look at vehicles not just as machines that carry people and goods from one point to the other, but actually as part of the network and part of the smart city ecosystem. If you think about it, the same technology, which we then also used in Singapore, in New York, in Ann Arbor, Michigan, can be used for autonomous vehicles, which require even greater amounts of data, but also for drones, robots, industrial machines, and hence what we call the Internet of Moving Things. The biggest challenge is actually figuring out the business models that enable this ecosystem to work as one to serve the consumer and thus serve all of us as human beings in our current society. We just came out of a panel here at WBA where we saw that telecom operators want to be able to provide a service over whatever network, but automakers are still asking them essentially for a price per gigabyte rather than a solution, say, for over-the-air software updates or for connected vehicle services and applications. And so that means that in the end, it's not as much a technology issue, even though it's a challenging technical problem that Veniam has been able to solve and with IP portfolio of more than 180 patents right now, but the business side of things, making sure that this ecosystem works over whatever network is available, so that everybody, can actually have a viable return on investment, both for the infrastructure, for the vehicle manufacturers, and also ultimately for the mobility operators and the end users. That's the real challenge right now. Wireless Global Congress actually brings together a lot of people that are looking for ways to provide backhaul and connected services at a global scale, where you have to bring lots of different network operators in different geographies and over-the-top providers, and ultimately all the industries that benefit from this connectivity to a common ground in terms of what do we want to achieve ultimately for the end users and for the end businesses, and how can all these different areas work together, both on the technology side and on the business side. And so for us, it's very efficient because we're able to talk with a lot of the players that are in our ecosystem in the same place. At the same time, it's also well visited by C-suite members, particularly CTOs, which of course enables us to also understand how they are thinking strategically and also contribute to their thinking, as well as the different standardization efforts that are going on in our ecosystem.